So that's 33 penalties.
He's even.
Golly. He would do it good though. Let me see, man. Who next? You next, mister?
Yes, sir.
All right, go on here. Where you from?
I'm from Houston,
Okay.
Texas, Space City Crawlers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Space City Crawlers?
Yes, sir.
Already. Well, what you got? Your car got a name?
No, not really.
Not really?
No.
Go Get It. We're going to name it Go Get It.
Old Trusty.
Old Trusty. Okay. We'll do Old Trusty. How far is Ennis from my house? Ennis pretty much the furthest track.
Okay, all right.
Alrighty, here we go. The party is started. Oh, he done got past the tricky part already. That was the first. Ooh, it done got a little trickier. Ooh, that wheel done went in there.
I got the gate. All right, that's good.
Okay. He was trying to miss that gate, but since he touched it, he went on and ignored it. Look like he got some skill, y'all.
Thank you. Huh? No, it's just an old piece of steel tube. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go to that lawnmower racing, man. Send me the address.
Oh, they didn't set the gate. Oh, God, I should have drove through.
Oh! Ooh, knocked off a gate.
This will point me out on it.
You don't even have 2 more reverses.
All right.
It is a black. Come on, baby. Yeah, message me the info. We'll be going lawnmower racing. When you say it is?
That's a different way, I guess, but it'll work. Come on. Got a reverse, I see it. I got to switch that.
1120.
Reverse. Still going.
Okay. Boom.
I see somebody finishing. Boom.
All right, time. What we looking like?
He did not finish.
Nuh-uh.
He actually went to point out completely. So he actually he hit the 10, the 10 gate.
Yeah.
He hit the 4 gates.
He hit 4 gates.
More than 4 reverses.
Golly.
Everything adds up. But he did actually get past the 8 actual.
But I thought you supposed to give him something for the gates he did pass.
He did.
Oh, he did?
He actually got 8 that he got past.
Okay.
Right? So that went in, so you got 16. So we take the 16 off that, and that's what it ends up being.
Damn, so he got a 28. And what's the highest you can get, a 44?
Yeah, if you actually go to point out. You're looking like for the golf scores, right? So the lower is better.
Oh, lower better?
Negative 20.
Oh, okay. Dang. Let me see something then. Look out, y'all, man. They talking about a lawnmower event. Hey, 1120, that sound near. Man, I need to get this, they want me to go to No Guts, No Glory in Florida and the motorcycle event in Florida, man. That's too big. events in Florida. I ain't bought no ticket yet, and they 200 something each, man. What to do? Everybody be asking me, am I going? Like they finna help. And I was just over there agreeing, yeah, I'm going. Now I feel kind of not all that good about saying yeah. But they 12/9 through December 9th through the 12th. And then the other one, oh, he did that. The other one gonna be on the following week, right afterwards. The cars is on the 9th through the 12th, and the bike's gonna be that next week in the same spot. Okay. I think we got a professional driver here. He done made it through 2 gates real quick. He ain't had no buffering. But we finna see some. Okay. Boom. He done dropped it down. Okay, he got a little comment. Here go a little spot for him. Okay, progress, y'all. Yeah, I need to set up my Streamlab donation goal. He's messing up the frame, but he ain't worried about it. He getting on up through there, y'all. Alrighty, guys. As he approaches the, what's this, number 4 gate? Okay. Progress. Alright, got a next gate coming up. Oh, you gotta have that suspension right, and it is success. Progress. Next gate. All right, here we come. Next gate. Progress again. All right, he's keeping it going, man. He got a steady little smooth stream coming on up, and here he comes. Ooh. He gonna have to get him a reverse in there, I think. Ooh. Ah. Okay. Ooh, he know what he doing, y'all. He know what he doing. This is a professional. What's his name again? Sandbagger. What's his name? Sandbagger?
This here is Rusty.
Rusty? Ah, man, you got a negative 19? Boy, Rusty cold. Golly. He cold. Yeah, man, good job one more time, man. Rusty driving that thing, man. Can you imagine sitting in the front street super stormy? What's up with it? 2.2 tires.